So this is USDCAD Analysis for Thursday the 18th of January. Now let's have a look what our price and where prices may potentially go. So on the 17th we did have a market come up towards that 200 period moving average. We've had a brief little pullback from the 200 period moving average. And we've got these very large candles here. We've got two very large candles. And with very large wicks to the upside and to the downside, likely news related. As you can see here, and we've had prices move upwards, and we've pretty much had a perfect test here of the 400 period moving average. So we're just going to have a brief look. The 400 period moving average is sitting at that point 25.32, and the actual height was at 25.31.3. So within a 1 pip of the 400 period moving average. Also coupled with the 400 period moving average, and the height of this candle is this weekly pivot previously mentioned. And it's been on the chart for a couple of weeks now, this 25.30. You can go back and see it in previous videos. So in around this 25.30, this weekly pivot prices, even though we've had quite a bit of volatility due to a news-related event, prices have come up to within a pip or so of this 25.30 and pretty much retraced all the way back down from the confluence of the 400 period moving average, as well as the weekly pivot here at 25.30. So we've seen prices retrace back down, and similar thing over the very next hour. We traded all the way down towards pretty close to this 23.55, but we didn't quite get down there. Traded as low as 23.64. Before we saw buy side momentum come back into the market. Now, where do we expect prices to go from where they are at present? So we did see further sell side momentum from the 200 period moving average before we caught a bit of a bid before we headed down towards our most recent low. We've had a very strong trend back upwards. We are still operating in the shadow of these are our highs over here, lower highs. We've had prices come down, had the news related event. Prices somewhat indecisive. Prices have not really trended either way, either to the downside or to the upside. What we have seen is sell side momentum come into the market, and also buy side momentum immediately afterwards. So from where we are at present, the very next the level that we are looking at is around 24.26. We did say that over here that 24.26 is the major level marks out here in red, and we'll see our prices react towards that 24.26. At present, it does appear that we are holding this 24.26, but we do have to be aware of the 200 period moving average, which has proved problematic in the past. And we'll see whether we're able to break this above this 200 period moving average, break from which we're looking for price head towards that 24.86, beyond which we're looking for 25.125. If we do see further upside continuation and we don't see further sell side momentum off these levels, we are looking for price head towards that 400 period moving average and the weekly pivot in around that 25.30. In around that 25.30, we'll see whether we do get that sell side momentum that we did see over here on your left, or whether we do get a break above this 25.30. We're looking for price head towards that 26.22. If however we do see prices break down on the other hand, we'll be looking, and we do. If we are not able to hold the 24.26 level, we are looking for price head down towards that 23.55, beyond which we're looking to see our price direct in around this 23.34. We do see some buy side momentum into the market. If we don't see buy side momentum into the market at 23.34, the very next level that we are looking at is, wow, it's all the way down at 21.71. Yeah, I can't anticipate price heading all the way down to 21.71, but that's the very next level that we've got marked out on the chart. So what we'll do is we'll pay close attention to the 123, 122.50 and 122. We'll play close eyes to those levels where we do see bullish buy side momentum enter the market in around those 50 pip intervals. And with that said, that should pretty much wrap up everything in regards to USDCAD. Thanks for watching.